Very first method of building estimate is called separate or individual wall method. It is also called long wall or short wall method. Okay, so let us take a look at this drawing. This is the plan of a room or building, whatever you want to call it. This room has dimensions of 6 meter by 3 meters. 6 meter is the center to center distance of this wall. That means from the center of this wall to the center of this wall is 6 meter. From the center of this wall to the center of this wall is 3 meter. So what happens in this method is that we treat the walls as long walls and short walls. So as you can see in the drawing, there are two long walls and there are two short walls. Okay. So if this is the cross section, this is the cross section at any point. Suppose at this point we are taking the cross section and these are the details. Okay. This is the superstructure wall because this is above the ground level, and these are the substructure wall, that means foundation wall, because it is below the ground level. The height of the foundation wall is 0.6 meter, and below the foundation wall there is a PCC layer. There is a PCC layer of height 0.1 meter, and the breadth of the foundation wall and the PCC bed is 0.25 meter, and the breadth of the superstructure wall, that means the wall which is above the ground level, the breadth of this wall is 0.15 meter. Here in the plan also it is given 0.15 meter, 0.15 meter. That is the breadth or thickness of the superstructure wall, and the height of the superstructure wall is also given as 3.3 meter. Okay. So what will we have to do is that for every item that we will calculate, suppose it is brickwork in superstructure, it is brickwork in substructure, earthwork in excavation, PCC work in foundation. For every item, we need to find out the length of the long wall and short wall separately. That is, this method is all about. So how we are going to find out the length of the long wall and short wall? See, this is the formula to find out the length of the short wall. Center to center length of the short wall minus one breadth. One breadth means, suppose this is the superstructure wall, okay, and center to center length of the superstructure wall of the short wall is 3 meter. Short wall is 3 meter length, center to center. So center to center length of the short wall is 3 meter minus one breadth. One breadth means the breadth of the short wall. The breadth of the short wall or the superstructure wall in this case is given as 0.15 meter. So 1 times the breadth is 0.15. So 3 minus 0.15 is equal to 2.85, which is the length of the short wall for the superstructure wall. Brickwork in superstructure, if we need to calculate, then we will take this length. Just like that, length of the long wall. The expression to find out the length of the long wall is center to center length plus one breadth. Okay, this is the long wall. What is the center to center length of the long wall? It is given as 6 meter. So center to center length is 6 meter plus 1 times breadth. What is the breadth of this wall? What is the breadth of this wall? It is 0.15. So 6 plus 0.15 is equal to 6.15. This is the length of the long wall. So in this way, based on these lengths, we will calculate the different quantities. Now let us take a look at this table. We have to make this table for every estimating problem, as we have already discussed. Serial number, item, number, length, breadth, height, quantity, and then finally remarks. So suppose in the question it is given as we need to find out the brickwork in foundation of plinth. That means this one. The brickwork which is below the ground level. The brickwork in substructure or the brickwork in foundation, that we need to find out. Okay. So how will we find out? So brickwork in foundation plinth, since we are doing this separate wall method, so we need to find out the brickwork separately for long walls and separately for short walls. Okay. So first of all, let us take a look at the long walls. So long walls number is given here as 2. As you can see in the drawing, the number of long wall is 2. There are 2 long walls and 2 short walls. So number of long walls is 2. Now length. How will we find out the length? Let us go to the remarks column. Length of long wall. Again, center to center length plus one breadth. What is the center to center length of the long wall is given? 6 meter. Here you can see the length of the long wall, center to center length of the long wall is given as 6 meter. So 6 meter plus 6 meter plus 1 breadth. Center to center length plus 1 breadth. Center to center length is 6 meter, 1 breadth. What is the breadth of the substructure wall? What is the breadth of the foundation wall or substructure wall? It is given as 0.25. So 6 plus 0.25 is 6.25 is the length of the long wall. So number is 2, length is 6.25 as we have found out here. 6.25 is the length. Breadth is again 0.25. It is given in the question. And height. What is the height of the wall? What is the height of the substructure wall? It is given as 0.6. So number is 2, length we have found out to be 6.25, breadth is given in the drawing, point is 0.25 and height is also given in the drawing as 0.6. So number into length into breadth into height, that is the quantity. We have found out the quantity to be 1.875 cubic meter. That is the brickwork in foundation or plinth wall. For the long wall is 1.875 cubic meter. Just like that, we need to find out for the short wall also. Again, the number of short wall is 2. Here you can see in the drawing, the number of short wall is 2. There are 2 short walls. So number is 2. So length, we need to find out. What is the expression to find out the length of the short wall? Length of the short wall is equal to center to center length minus 1 breadth. What is the center to center length of the short wall? It is given in the question as 3 meter. So 3 meter minus 1 breadth. Again, what is the breadth of the substructure wall? It is given as 0.25. So 3 meter minus 0.25, it comes out to be 2.75 meter is the length of the short wall. So under the length column, we'll write 2.75. Breadth is given in the question as 0.25. Height is again given in the question as 0.6. So number into length into breadth into height is equal to, the quantity comes out to be 0.825 cubic meter. Brickwork always comes out in cubic meters, unless for partition walls. So the brickwork in substructure or foundation for the long wall comes out to be 1.875 and for the short wall comes out to be 0.825. So ultimately the total brickwork comes out to be 2.7 cubic meter. In this way we can calculate the other items also. So now let us try to find out the brickwork in superstructure wall. That means the wall which is above the ground level. So we need to find out the amount of brickwork for this room for the superstructure wall. Here for the superstructure wall, that breadth is 0.15. Here in the plan also it is given 0.15. In the section is also given is 0.15. The breadth is 0.15 and the height is 3.3. So first of all, we need to find out the brickwork in superstructure, and again just like the earlier one, we will deal in 2 parts. One part is long wall and the other part is short wall. So again the number is 2 because the number of long wall is 2. The length, we need to find out the length. Again the length we need to find out separately for every item. Okay, so length of the long wall, let us write here, length of long wall is equal to center length plus 1 breadth. Okay, center to center length of the long wall is given 6 meter. So 6 meter plus 1 breadth. What is the breadth? Plus 1 breadth. What is the breadth of the superstructure wall? What is the breadth of the superstructure wall? It is 0.15. Here in the section it is given as 0.15. In the plan is also given as 0.15. So center to center length is 6 meter and 1 breadth is equal to 0.15. So ultimately it comes out to be 6.15 meter. This is the length of the long wall. So number of long wall is 2. The length of the long wall comes out to be 6.15. The breadth is given as 0.15 and the height. What is the height of the superstructure wall? 3.3 meter. So under the height column we will write 3.3. So number into length into breadth into height, we will find out the quantity. Let's see what is that. The quantity comes out to be 6.08 cubic meter. Okay. So for the long walls of brickwork and superstructure, the quantity comes out to be 6.08 cubic meter. So let us talk about the short walls again. For every quantity, for every item, we need to find out the quantities for the long wall and short wall separately. That's why this method is called separate wall method or long wall short wall method. Again, let us deal with the short wall. Again, the number of short wall is 2. Here we can see the drawing number of short wall is 2. So length. Again, then we have to find out the length of the short wall. For this item, length of short wall is equal to center length minus 1 breadth. In case of long wall it is plus 1 breadth, in case of short wall it is minus 1 breadth. So center to center length, what is the center to center length of the short wall? It is given in the question as 3 meter. So 3 meter minus 1 breadth, what is the breadth of the superstructure wall? 0.15. So 3 minus 0.15, it comes out to be 2.85 meters, I think. So the length of the short wall is, 3 minus 0.15 comes out to be 2.85 meters. So under the length column, let us write 2.85. Breadth we all know, it is given as 0.15. Height we all know, it is given as 3.3. So 3.3, number into length into breadth into height, we will find out the quantity. So the quantity comes out to be 2.82 cubic meters. So the for long wall it is 6.08 and for short wall it is 2.82. Let us find out the total. 6.08 plus 2.82, it comes out to be 8.90 cubic meters. So in this way, in this method, we will find out the quantities of different items. That is the long wall short wall method.